ahead. Our show will begin soon and please do not touch the water because you may get injured by the electric shock. Yeah, thank you for your
Uy,
cooperation.
kalangga kanina. Uy!
Our show will begin soon. Please give a space for the people who just arrived. Okay, yeah, please walk this way. You all are allowed to take a photo. Hello, Sawadee. Welcome to the
Sawadee.
Pavilion. Okay, this song is called The Mobility of Life, and we will present about how Thailand can become a hub of Southeast Asia. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started.
Nanood kami ng sine dito sa Thailand. Began more 7,000 years ago in Southeast Asia, blessed with rain and nature's riches. Wow! Wow, that's nice. A golden port city. Yeah. In time, it's become a hub for the modern ships come from around the world. Kala mo nasa loob tayo, no? The kingdom grow great, spreading rice, spice, and forest gold.